Hello from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. This is the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing. Today's Monday, December 17th. We'll start off by looking at our satellite imagery this morning. We do have a deep mid-level disturbance extending from the Gulf of Alaska into the eastern Pacific, and that here we can see moisture streaming up from the south across Idaho. That moisture should diminish throughout the day today, but it will bring some areas of rain and snow. Possibly a pocket of freezing rain, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. Looking at our radar loop, we can see the showers here over western Idaho. Rain this morning being reported in Boise and Mountain Home, and that area should advance eastward throughout the day, even as the precipitation diminishes throughout the late morning and early afternoon. So our surface map today, we do have some areas of rain and snow across much of the Pacific Northwest, much of the Intermountain West seen here in rain and snow. There is a small pocket of freezing rain possible this morning, mainly around the Jerome, Twin Falls, maybe in the Burley area. That again should taper off as we head into the afternoon. Taking a look at some snow amounts from this weather system moving through. It's fairly light today, light accumulations today, maybe about 1 to 3 inches across the Central Mountains. Very light accumulations here in the Snake Plain. Once we head into the afternoon and evening hours, that tapers off even more significantly, and then we should see fairly quiet conditions for tonight. We'll take a look at our map for tomorrow. We get a lot more moisture moving in, some more rain and snow on the way tomorrow. We do see some heavier accumulations depicted here in the Sawtooth Mountains. We'll take a zoom in and into the area. This is Monday night into Tuesday morning, fairly quiet, and then things start to ramp up Tuesday morning with some snow accumulations here in the Central Mountains. And as we advance into the afternoon hours, this is about when things start to peak as far as snowfall goes up in the Central Mountains. We do see some light accumulations beginning here in the Snake River Plain, but the Central Mountains will be the hardest hit, as well as the Island Park area. And then we head into tomorrow evening and into Wednesday morning, things start to taper off. And so I'll show you a graphic here of the total accumulation for Tuesday. This is a 24-hour accumulation ending Wednesday morning. So this shows your amounts up here in the Stanley area, 4 to 6 inches. Could see some mountain passes seeing up to 8 inches of snow. That's going to cause some likely some slick roads and maybe some low visibilities. There will be some winds along with this system, so you can see some blowing and drifting along with that as well. And we'll take a look at conditions beyond Wednesday as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to see some fairly quiet conditions. Thursday night, we see this next weather system on our doorstep moving in from the west. Could bring some more snow, some rain, possibly some freezing rain, but we're not expecting that at this point. We'll see that move through pretty quickly on Friday, and then that pushes out Friday afternoon, Friday evening, and we should see a pretty quiet weekend ahead of us. On to the 8 to 14 day outlook. This is going to take us between the Christmas and New Year's holiday. We do see some cool temperatures expected across southern Idaho between Christmas and New Year's. All of the warm temperatures on the eastern half of the nation. Precipitation wise, we do see a slightly enhanced chance of seeing above normal precipitation for Idaho. So that's again is going to be between December 24th, December 30th. Holidays look to be a little bit wetter than normal. And so that's going to conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Leave us some feedback here in the email. If you want a more detailed weather forecast, go to weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for listening.